Good morning, everyone. How are you all, children? I hope you all are fine. This is Sunita, and I am here to teach EVS. Before starting the lesson, let us talk about Corona for few seconds. Nowadays, we have more of the Corona cases. Don't be panicked, children. By taking certain measures, we can get rid of such diseases. Stay home, stay safe. If there is any urgency, wear a mask while you move out of your house. Sanitize your hands with a sanitizer so that it can kill all the germs present on your hands. Include more of fruits and vegetables in your diet. This makes you strong. We were not at all opening our books for the last few days. So it's time for us to concentrate on studies. I am going to teach lesson 14, Art of Making Pottery, from your textbook. You can find this lesson on page number 82. Shall we start, children? Come on. Children, before starting the lesson, let us have a look on new words. I have even placed pictures related to the word so that you can have a better understanding. So, the first word goes like hunters. 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 I am repeating it again. Hunters. Hunters. Second word. Wanderers. 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 I am repeating it again. Wanderers. Wanderers. Next word, settle. Settled. Settle. I am repeating it again. Settled. Settle. Next word, earthen. 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 I am repeating it again. Earthen. Earthen. Children, in this slide we have 4 more words. Let us start with the first one. Bake. Bake. One more time. Bake. Bake. The next word. Potter's wheel. Potters. Potters. Wheel. Wheel. One more time. Potters. Potters. Wheel. Wheel. Potter's wheel. Next word. Pottery. Pottery. One more time. Pottery. Pottery. The final word goes like Potter. One more time. Potter. Children, in this image you can see early humans. Handmade pots were made for quite some time, but later they invented the potter's wheel that helped them to make better pots at a faster speed. They also started coloring these pots. Children, here we can observe a person making pots on a potter's wheel. What do you call him? Yes, We call him a potter as he makes pots on a potter's wheel. The art of making pots is known as pottery. I am repeating it again. The art of making earthen pots is known as pottery. Now, before ending the session, we will have a short recap of what we have learned today. Early humans used earthen pots for storing and cooking food. Pots are made stronger by baking on fire. The art of making earthen pots is known as pottery. A potter's wheel is used to make better pots at a faster speed. A potter is a person who makes pots. Thank you. In this slide, I have given certain questions for you to answer. Please try to complete that and make a check for your answers in the next session